The front of the machine draws immediate attention. A vintage-style motorcycle, bold and commanding, seamlessly merged into the camper's smooth body. The polished chrome accents gleam under the overhead lights, reflecting the studio's subtle glow like liquid silver. Its spoked wheels and rounded headlamp hint at a classic era of open-road freedom, while the integration with the camper body showcases modern engineering mastery. The camper itself carries a polished silver metallic finish, its rounded contours giving it a timeless aerodynamic look. The smooth, rivet-free surface reflects the surrounding motorcycles and vintage vans, each contour glowing softly as the light dances across it. The craftsmanship speaks of balance, a vehicle that feels both industrial and elegant, mechanical yet artistic. Large windows along the side are framed with beige curtains, offering a glimpse into the warm and inviting interior. Through the slightly open side door, a subtle golden light spills out, giving life to the metallic exterior. It's a gentle contrast, the cool silver of the outer shell against the cozy amber hue within. The sense of comfort and adventure blends perfectly, hinting at journeys both nostalgic and new. As the camera glides around, the details come alive. The smooth curvature of the camper body, the flawless connection between motorcycle and trailer, the glimmer of chrome outlining every corner, all combine to form a visual symphony of craftsmanship. The front motorcycle's handlebars and mirrors extend proudly, while the rear camper remains grounded, steady, and inviting. Together, they form one continuous silhouette, a hybrid that redefines the spirit of travel. The setting around it deepens the scene's story. In the background, classic motorcycles rest on display stands, reminders of a golden age of riding. Vintage camper vans with rounded edges and faded logos sit quietly, as if nodding in respect to this modern reinterpretation of their legacy. The whole environment radiates a sense of continuity, old meeting new, tradition meeting innovation. Inside the camper, faint glimpses of the interior reveal a compact yet luxurious space. The soft beige curtains sway gently, lit by warm, ambient ceiling lights. The hint of polished wooden surfaces, quilted leather, and gleaming metal fixtures can be seen through the windows. It feels personal, functional, and meticulously designed, a small mobile retreat built for both comfort and adventure. The lighting in the showroom accentuates every contour, giving the silver body a mirror-like depth. Each reflection from nearby bikes and lights adds to the aesthetic drama, emphasizing how every inch of the hybrid was sculpted with intent. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement piece, a bridge between eras, where mechanical art meets practical design. As the perspective widens, the hybrid stands as a centerpiece of inspiration, an icon of creativity in motion. The polished metal, the classic front, the futuristic build, all combine to tell a story of imagination brought to life. It represents freedom, design innovation, and the enduring allure of the open road. The camera lingers one last moment on the shimmering silver surface before fading into a soft focus on the glowing interior light. The mood is serene and nostalgic, the kind that reminds you why vehicles like this are more than machines, they are expressions of human passion and timeless design. A perfect harmony of past and future, power and comfort, this motorcycle camper hybrid stands not just as a mode of travel, but as a masterpiece of engineering and artistry combined.